Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to share how to make unlimited sales, unlimited commissions with your own product, with your own system, or anyone else's product. So that means an affiliate offer by using DeepSeek R1, okay, which is a tool. And I'm going to show you the proven method that's been working for years. It's still working and people are making multiple 4, 5, and 6 figures online. I'm also using this method and you can use it too. If you're trying to make money with someone else's product and promote someone else's product using a different way, I'm not going to say that doesn't work or it's not going to work. I'm only going to say don't reinvent the wheel. Do something that's already working, that's already proven and tested, and it's been working for years and it still works, and people are making money. I'm making money. I'm a live example, okay? So I'm going to show you how to automate this entire process, how you can start doing this in your business and start making money like this. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash that subscribe button, click the share button, share this video with the people you care, hit the like button, it will be appreciated. And if you have any kind of questions or you want me to cover any kind of topics, just leave a comment for me and I will be more than happy to create a video on that. So let's dive into this video. This video is all about how to make money online in 2025 for beginners using DeepSeek R1 to automate the entire process so it becomes easy for you. And the method that I'm about to teach you is not just easy, but actually it works, it's proven, it's tested, everyone is making money like this. So don't try to reinvent the wheel. And what are we talking about? We are talking about making money online by driving traffic to an offer. It could be your own product, it could be your own system, it could be an affiliate offer using a bridge page or a landing page, so we can capture people's email address, build a list, and then we can send out free offers, bonuses, training videos, give value, and also promotional emails. And all the top big companies are doing this, and all the top gurus are doing this, whether it's with ClickBank, whether it's with Digistore24, whether it's within another affiliate network. In fact, even the Amazon affiliates are promoting Amazon offers with list building, which is called email traffic. So how do you do this? It's very simple, okay? So let's just dive into this. Okay, so the first thing you will need is you will need a lead capture page. Very, very important. Try to understand this. You will need a lead capture page. A lead capture page is a small mini page that has a text on it and it has a button on it, and in there it says just enter your email address to get access now. When they enter the email address, they click on submit, they're going to be redirected to an offer. Now this could be an affiliate offer from ClickBank, this could be your own product, it could be your own system, and that email is going to be stored in an autoresponder where you will be able to communicate and blast emails. One of the best autoresponders in my opinion, which is affiliate friendly, ClickBank friendly, make money online friendly, is GetResponse. A link is popping up right on your screen. You can join this autoresponder for free. It has a trial, okay? So you can join this for free, create your free account with this autoresponder. It's one of the best autoresponders out there. It's affiliate friendly, ClickBank friendly. Inbox delivery rate is very, very high. Your email will go straight into the inbox, okay? So open up a new browser, go to this website address and create your free account. I do have another tutorial video, complete training on how to set this up, how to set up your list, how to create your autoresponder, and how to start adding messages. So I'm not going to go through the entire thing in this video, but I am going to go through bits and pieces for you to understand the power of this autoresponder, okay? So I just spoke about the landing page. The first thing is a landing page. You need a landing page, okay? And let me show you what a landing page will look like. So this is what a landing page will look like. As you can see, it's a page with a text on it, okay? And if anyone comes, so this is basically one of my own products that I am selling, and if you want to actually promote this product, you can too. I'm paying 50% commission to affiliates for promoting this product. Okay, so this is one of my products, and it has a landing page. So here's the text, and if they are interested in what I have to offer, they'll come down. Okay, they will enter their email address here and click on yes, I want to learn how to get unlimited traffic. Okay, so they'll click on this and they will be redirected to the offer. Now some people will buy, some people will not buy, but there's no problem in that, because this person that I just got his email is added into my autoresponder now. So which means I can send him an email, I could blast emails, I could send him promotional offers, and basically I could do so many stuff. Okay, so this is what you call a landing page. Now how do you create this landing page? I have a complete tutorial on that, but if you want me to create another tutorial on how to create a landing page, which only takes 5 to 10 minutes, please leave a comment for me and I will come up with another tutorial training video teaching you step by step how to create a lead magnet page just like this. Now remember, the money is in the list. Very, very important to understand. Okay, now you drive 1,000 people to this landing page, okay, and just say 400 people enter the email. You have those 400 people in your list. Now if they didn't buy the offer, no worries, you can promote different offers to them. So if you're in the make money online niche, you could promote 10 different offers. So if they didn't buy the offer 1, they might buy the offer 2, offer 3, offer 4. That's the power of list building. Okay, and most of the money that's being generated on the internet is through an email list. So you need to build a list. Okay, so that's the first thing. You need a landing page. Second thing, you need an autoresponder. Like I said, best autoresponder is GetResponse. Link popping up on your screen. Just go to this website address. You will be able to create your free account. Okay, so once you have created your free account, you want to come to these dots here. Okay, and then you want to go to the contacts actually, and then first of all you want to create a list. Okay, you're going to name your list, and once you have created your list, then you want to go to tools again, and then you want to click on autoresponders. Okay, and then you want to select your list from here. Which list is it going to be? Okay, and once you have selected your list, then you want to click on create autoresponder, and you want to add at least 7 email follow-ups per product. Okay, so you could have unlimited, but 7 emails per product, and you're going to add these emails. So this is called the automated money machine. Okay, now what does this do? When someone comes here and enters their email address, they're going to be redirected to the offer. Okay, most people will not buy upfront, okay, instantly. So you need to follow up with these people. Now if you have created these email follow-ups, automatically this email will go out on your behalf on completely autopilot, and you will able to start seeing traffic and potential sales. Now the biggest question that normally people have is, I don't know what to write. Okay, I don't know what to write, I don't know where to get the emails from. So there's a couple of ways you can do that. The first way is that if you go to the affiliate offer, most of these people will have a JV page. So you can see here this product is $77.82. Okay, if I go to the affiliate page here, he's going to provide me with email swipes that I can copy and paste into my autoresponder. So if I just scroll down, if I click on email swipes here, okay, he's going to give me all these email swipes. So you could see here, all right, look at this. He's giving me up to 20 emails that I could just copy and paste straight into my autoresponder. That's one way of doing it. Okay, so it's not something that you have to reinvent the wheels and think, what shall I do? How do I create these emails? Etc. etc. It's all done for you. You just have to copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Second way of doing it is you subscribe to these top internet gurus list. Okay, and then when you subscribe, you're going to start receiving emails. what you want to do is when you start receiving those emails, you want to see those emails, okay? And then you want to create your own version of that email. You don't want to exactly copy and paste that email. You want to create your own version by becoming a bit creative. This is the second way of you building an email list and having those powerful emails. So in that case, what will happen is when you start receiving these emails from these top internet gurus, some of these email titles and description is going to trigger your subconscious mind, and you're going to say, wow, I didn't want to open this email, but this subject line actually made me open this email. Boom. That's the subject line you're going to use for your emails too, okay? With a bit of changes into it, because that's how you're going to get better open rates and better click-through rates, okay? The third way, which is the one of the easiest way at this current moment, which I talked about how to automate your entire business and make money online using DeepSeek R1. You could go to DeepSeek and tell DeepSeek to do the heavy lifting for you, okay? So if you go to DeepSeek, DeepSeek is absolutely free of charge. Just create your free account with DeepSeek, okay? And when you go to DeepSeek, you just tell DeepSeek, hey, I want you to create me this email. So if you come to my autoresponder, you could see that I have a list called Digital Wealth Academy. It's a Digistore 24 product. It's a high ticket product, okay? And I wanted to create emails for this product. I didn't know what to write because they don't have a JV page. And I'm not subscribed to these all top internet gurus at this current moment because I can't be bothered. But I want to write these powerful, high engaging emails. So guess what I done? I went to DeepSeek. I told DeepSeek do the heavy lifting for me. So that's what I done. So this is how it works. So you go to DeepSeek, okay? And I told DeepSeek, this is exactly what I told DeepSeek to do, okay? So this is exactly what I told DeepSeek to do. Can you create 20 promotional emails that I will be sending to my email list promoting Digital Wealth Academy, okay? Now with that name of the product, so you want to put the product, so in your case, if you're going to look for a clickbank product, like just say live chat, jobs, etc., you're going to just replace that, okay? Feel free to actually take a picture of this, okay? So you want to put a product name and then you want to put the website address. Make sure you put the exact website address. Do not put your affiliate link because DeepSeek will not able to understand what the product is all about. So put the website address, okay? So please find out everything about digitalwealthacademy.com. Make the email swipe, professional engagement so that people would click on the CTA. You will be adding to the email. The emails don't need to be too long. And then I'm telling exactly what I want. So that's what DeepSeek's doing. Make the emails so they follow each other, allow so email what we product and the email too need to be following, etc, etc. So I gave this whole instruction and this is what DeepSeek had to do. Check this out. 20 emails. This is just for example, okay? You could do 30, 40, 50. This is how you do it, okay? The easiest way, alright? So what did I cover? I covered you need to build a list, okay? So you need a landing page, alright? Very easy to create. You need an autoresponder. Okay, you need email swipes, you need email follow-ups to be kicked in, so you need to make sure you add those email follow-ups inside, and you can use DeepSeek to do the job. Now one more last thing, which is traffic. I covered traffic yesterday in my video. Watch that video. It's a paid traffic source. If you really want to learn all about traffic, etc., and you want to learn how I do free traffic, paid traffic, etc., then I do provide a fast profit strategy manual, okay, where I cover everything, where I share a lot of things that you can start doing today and start profiting very, very quickly, okay? I will have the link in my description box. I will also put the link in my comment section box as well. And I also give resale rights to this fast profit strategy manual, which means you can also sell it and earn 100% profit. That's so easy, okay? So if you want to learn exactly what I do, where I get traffic from, how I get traffic from, etc., etc., you can get access to this fast profit strategy manual. And in that fast profit strategy manual, I share everything. Also, if you want to learn the exact business that I'm part of that pays 100% profit plus low ticket commission and high ticket commission, and you want free access to the 10K per month strategy, okay, then just go to this website address that you're seeing on the screen just down here. go to this website address and you will get free access to the 10K per month strategy, and you will also able to see the entire business that I'm part of that pays 100% profit. So it will be all set up for you. It's a complete done for you business in a box that you will get access to, and it's one of the best businesses, internet business online right now, that provides underground secret training for you to actually start making thousands of dollars every single month online. Okay, and not just that, once you become part of this, you will also get my help and my support as well on showing you what you need to do to start making these big fat commissions, which is 100% profit that's going to go straight into your bank account. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so. I will see you in the next video.